Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start an LLC in Missouri in a clear and practical way so you can launch your business without confusion. First, you need to choose a name for your LLC. The name must be unique and not already registered in Missouri. It also needs to include LLC or Limited Liability Company. You can check name availability on the Missouri Secretary of State website to make sure your name is available before filing. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Missouri and be available during normal business hours. You can act as your own agent, but many people choose a professional service for privacy and convenience. After that, you will file the Articles of Organization. This is the official document that creates your LLC. You can file it online or by mail with the Missouri Secretary of State. There's a filing fee, and once your application is approved, your LLC becomes legally active. Now, the next important step is creating an operating agreement. Missouri does not require you to submit this document, but it is highly recommended. It explains how your LLC will be managed, how profits will be shared, and what roles each member has. Having this agreement helps prevent disputes and keeps your business organized. Once your LLC is formed, you should apply for an EIN from the IRS. This stands for Employer Identification Number and is used for tax purposes. It is required if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. The good news is you can apply for it online for free. After getting your EIN, the next step is opening a business bank account. This is important because it separates your personal and business finances. Keeping finances separate helps protect your personal assets and makes accounting much easier. Now let's talk about licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need certain licenses at the state or local level. Check with your city or county office to make sure you meet all requirements before starting operations. Another thing to consider is taxes. Missouri LLCs are generally pass-through entities, meaning profits are taxed on your personal income tax return. However, you may still need to register for state taxes if you are selling goods or hiring employees. You should also understand ongoing requirements. Missouri does not require an annual report for LLCs, which makes maintenance easier compared to some other states. However, you still need to keep your registered agent information up to date and maintain proper business records. It is also a good idea to keep track of your finances using accounting software or a professional accountant. This helps you stay organized and ensures you meet all tax obligations on time. Finally, always stay compliant with federal and state regulations. This includes filing taxes on time, renewing any licenses, and keeping accurate records of your business activities. So overall, starting an LLC in Missouri involves choosing a name, filing the necessary documents, setting up your structure, and maintaining compliance. Once everything is in place, you will have a solid legal foundation to start and grow your business with confidence. Subscribe the channel for more videos.